popped out to get some shopping one day, and one of the corporation buses drove by me, and I was so busy looking at it that I walked into a lamppost. I had to look it up, so I found the history of the garage, from trams to council to museum, how to volunteer.
The Glasgow Vintage Vehicle Trust is a charity, and its purpose is to educate the public about all aspects of transport, to be active in the community and to run a social inclusion programme.
I was caught up in addiction for over 30 years, which I'd lost my brother to addiction, which made me realise that life was too short to keep going on the way I was. And doing this, it gave me a good sense of structure, it gave me a purpose to get up in the morning and go and do something.
The Back of the Road programme is for addicts who need some kind of support for their lifestyle. The whole aim of it really is to give them a set of skills that will allow them to be able to make some kind of contribution to society.
We're trying to be something positive in the East End of Glasgow. The importance of us having an open day is for accessibility to the general public, to let them see our work.
This is the bus I was working on, and it feels so much special to me. So seeing it go out on the road and seeing people's reactions to it is just fantastic.
We have a changing dynamic in terms of the people who are members, and if you look around today, you'll see a lot of young guys on duty who are absolutely mad keen.
The trustees decided that to give us long-term security, that we should seek purchasing the property. Being a small charity, a lot of the usual avenues are not open to us, but we came upon social and community capital, and we brought them down to the garage to let them see what we were all about, and we were delighted after that point that they agreed to give us a loan to complete the purchase. It secures the long-term future for the members, and for our social inclusion programme Back on the Road, it gives that a future as well.
From a shell to where it is now, a lot of hard work, a lot of sweat has been put in it, and I am so honoured to say that I was part of this, and I'm so proud of the work I've done for it.